Hi, honey. Oh, my God. Something's going to happen. Something's going to happen right now. Oh, my God. Something's... Holy shit. Oh, my... Oh, no! Oh, my God! No! Swiffer? Holy shit. Man, this race has had some wrecks in it. And I was going to say, that's Talladega for you. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That was bad. That one got hit really hard. Of course, they're going to show it over and over. Swiffer, are you aircrafting? Are you aircrafting? Here, let's do aircraft. Swiffer. Well, what kind of an aircraft do you want to be today? An Airbus? An Airbus A380? Going for a vertical takeoff? Swiffer Airlines. Clear for takeoff. Look at Swiffer. He's just such a good boy. You like to watch the races with Mama? I was brushing him. He gets Raceday Brush. He gets brushed so much that nothing comes out of him. He just is constantly brushed. But anyway, I gotta charge my battery, I see. So we'll talk to you later. All right, you getting up? All right, I'm gonna get up too. Oh, you changed your mind? He changed his mind.